Hello bachcho, let's read the question. So here the question says, statement 1 here says that the pH of the acidic buffer solution always increases on dilution. Okay, and statement 2 states that the pH of any aqueous solution of the acid always increases with the dilution. Okay, so here we need to find that which one of the statement is correct. So let's start. So we all know that the pH of any acidic solution may have any value and always tends towards 7 on dilution. Hence we can say that it may increase or decrease. So here we can say hence it may increase or decrease during dilution. So because of this, keeping this statement in mind that hence it may increase or decrease during the dilution, here we can state that the statement 1, here we can say that statement 1, that is assertion, statement 1 will be incorrect and statement 2 is given, statement 2 will be correct. Okay, let's see. So here we can say statement 1, that is the pH of acidic buffered solution always increases on dilution. So this will be incorrect. And statement 2 here will be correct. See, statement 2 will be correct because hence it may increase or decrease. So here we can say statement 2 is correct. So here the correct option will be option number D, that is statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. All the best.